Hi, we're here with Susan today. How you doing today, Susan?
I'm doing great.
Awesome. So tell us, how'd you hear about Express Flooring?
The commercial on TV, the lady that sings.
Oh yeah, the jingle.
Yes.
Gotcha. Awesome.
Yes.
How was your design consultant when they came in for you?
He was great. We had actually 3 or 4 companies come in and give us estimates and what they could do, and he was great. His name was Philip,
Awesome.
I believe.
Awesome.
And him and his assistant, they were great with us.
Awesome. We love to hear it. And then the installers, how were they for you?
Oh my gosh, they were awesome. We were concerned they wouldn't be able to get it all done in one day because it was going to rain the next day. They got it all done in a matter of 8 hours, and
Awesome.
professionally, it was great.
Yeah, the flooring looks great. We got the stairs here, carpet done. The carpet looks amazing up on the stairs, as well as
great job.
the living room looks amazing. And then, how would you refer Express to your friends and to your family?
Yes, I would.
Awesome. We'd love to hear that. Thanks, Susan, for your time and doing business with us.
Thank you.